God is not incapable. He has made provision for all these living entities. But when we mismanage, we become Varna Sankara, there is calamity. So far I have studied, I am touring all over the world. There are enough places uncultivated. Especially I have seen in Australia and Africa, there is enough place that is not being utilized. In India also, there are enough places still that is not being utilized. And Bhagavad Gita says, Annad bhavanti bhutani. The maintenance of the living entities, bhutani means living entities, can be done by production of food grains. Annad bhavanti bhutani. Then Parjannat anna sambhava. And then it is said, Parjannat anna sambhava, Jagyat bhavati parjanna, Jagga karma samudbhavam. This formula is given in the Bhagavad Gita. That living entities, it doesn't matter whether animal or man, they are flourished, they are raised very nicely, provided there is anna. Anna means food grain. So we can produce enough quantity of food grains all over the world. And if we actually produce food grains, we can feed 10 times of the population which are at present. But unfortunately, we are not producing food grains. That is the problem. It is not the problem of overpopulation. It is the problem that we are not producing food grain. This is clearly stated, that unless you have sufficient food grain, how we can maintain? They have taken a policy that they would not, especially in the Western countries I see, that they will not produce food. They will raise some cattle and send them to the slaughterhouse for eating. This policy is going on. And this is not a very good part. You produce your food grain. Why you should kill the innocent animals and eat them? So, on account of these sinful activities, according to Vedic civilization, there are 4 kinds of sinful activities. One sinful activity is illegitimate, illicit sex life. According to Vedic civilization, without marriage, no sex life is allowed. Therefore, marriage is compulsory. In every human society, there is marriage. But according to Vedic civilization, marriage is compulsory, samaskar. So, therefore, in the Bhagavad Gita it is said, Strishu dushtashu vasneya jayate varna sankara. If the women are not married, then varna sankara population will increase. It is said. And as soon as there is varna sankara population, the whole world will be in chaotic condition. So our Krishna consciousness movement, we are suggesting from the Shastras, from the Vedic literature, how to reorganize the human society. Actually, there is no scarcity of food, there is no scarcity of land, everything there is sufficient. From the Ishopanishad we understand, not only this planet, in every planet, there is sufficient arrangement. Purnamada, Purnamidam, Purnat Purnamudachyat, Purnasya Purnamadaya, Purnameva Avishya. It is actually complete. There is no problem. The problem is that we are not following the principles of life as they are enunciated, as they are enjoined. Dharma, the word dharma, it is not a religious sentiment. Dharma means occupational duty. So, from Vedic literature you understand that Dharman tu sakshat bhagavat pranit. Dharma means the laws given by God. Unfortunately, at the present moment, they have no information what is God and what is God's law and how to abide God's law. They are all in ignorance and they are manufacturing their own way of life, every day changing. This will not solve the problems of human society if we actually follow the Vedic injunction. It is very simple thing. This is whole idea is that everything belongs to God. Actually that's a fact. This is the Ishavasam Sadvam. Everything now this United Nations, they are trying to be united, but actually in the heart they have got this is my land, this is my land. The American thinking, this is my land, the German thinking, it is my land, Indian thinking, my land. Actually there is no knowledge. Every land belongs to God. But they cannot come to this conclusion because they are godless, without any God consciousness.